Hello everyone, myself Ramneet Kumar Singh and I am teaching you heat and mass transfer for your GATE examination. So my dear students, in the previous video we have seen that how constant heat flux is going on, okay? And then we have seen the constant surface temperature. So let us see a good question on this, that is your constant surface temperature. I am reading the question and focus on the board, my dear students. Hope your concepts are clear, you are building your concepts in convection also, okay? So the syllabus, that much I am telling you, is more than sufficient to you, and the notes I am giving are more than sufficient, my dear students. So just revise them and do practice the maximum number of questions. You will not have any problem in GATE. You will solve all the questions, my dear students. So let us see. Let us see, my dear students. Water enters a thin tube of length 1 meter. So he have given a tube he is considering, my dear students, and diameter of that tube is given to be 1 meter, my dear students, 1 meter, okay, and 3 millimeter, length 1 meter, so diameter is given to be how much? 3 millimeter, my dear students. So this will become equal to 0.003 meter. And what is the length of the tube is? Length of the tube is how much? 1 meter, my dear students. Very good. At inlet, the temperature is 97 degrees Celsius. Okay. The inlet temperature of water is given as 97 degrees Celsius, my dear students. 97 degrees Celsius. And the mass flow rate is 0.06. Okay. Mass flow rate is given to be of water 0.015 kg per second, my dear students, kg per second. The surface is maintained at constant surface temperature. He has given the constant surface temperature now, okay, of 27 degrees Celsius, my dear students. So Ts he has given to be like how much? 27 degrees Celsius, okay. Take the following data for water, where density he has given, mu, that is dynamic viscosity he has given, heat transfer coefficient he has given, and specific heat of water he has given. Find exit temperature of water. So he is asking about the exit temperature of water. Let us analyze this case, my dear students. So there is a tube of 3 millimeter diameter, my dear students. So there is a tube of 3 millimeter diameter, okay. This is your tube, my dear students, and that is at 3, that diameter of this is 3 millimeter, my dear students. Diameter D is 3 millimeter, and length of this tube is given to be how much? This is given to be 1 meter, my dear students, okay. Now the temperature, that is the surface temperature of this is constant, my dear students. Surface temperature of this tube is now constant. Surface temperature of this tube is now constant. So let us see the temperature profile, because if you will see the temperature profile, you can easily remember the equation, my dear students, and that is your Ts is constant and inlet temperature may be increasing in this direction, that is exit temperature, T exit, and that is T inlet, my dear students. T inlet, okay, and that is your Tm, okay. So the Tm is increasing continuously from inlet to outlet. So he is asking about the exit temperature, my dear students, and given all the properties. Let us see, my dear students. Now we know you can do also by the energy balance, okay, and also directly, my dear students. Let us see what is the formula for this. We know the energy balance equation, or the temperature at the exit is given by temperature at exit is given by, you remember the equation, that is Ts minus Te, my dear students, divided by Ts minus T inlet is equal to e to the power minus of H into pi dl, my dear student, that is your curved surface area As, divided by m dot Cp, my dear students. So can I calculate this value? Let us put all the values. So putting all values in equation number 1, all given data or given values in equation number 1, what I will have, let us see. So what is the surface temperature he has given, my dear students? Surface temperature he has given or not? So the inlet temperature he has given and 27 degree. Okay, the surface temperature is maintained at constant 27 degrees Celsius, my dear students. He has given 27 degrees Celsius. So let us put the values. This is your 27 degrees Celsius. TE he is asking about, and TS is what? TS is what, my dear students? TS is again 27 degrees Celsius minus T inlet is given to be how much? T inlet is given to be 97 degrees Celsius. So is equal to e to the power minus of H. What is the heat transfer coefficient? That is 12,978 multiplied by pi. What is the diameter of the tube? That is 0.003 meter, my dear students. What is the length of the tube? That is 1 meter divided by mass flow rate. What is the mass flow rate? He has given 0.015 and that is in kg per second multiplied by Cp. So remember, you have to put Cp in only joule per kg Kelvin. Cp, my dear students. So let us calculate this value. So this will become equal to how much? Let us see. This will become equal to how much? That is 12,978 multiplied by pi into 0.003 divided by 0.015, my dear students. 0.015 we have given, multiplied by Cp is 4184 and this is multiplied by minus. So this value will be equal to nothing but e to the power minus 1.948 and this will be equal to 0.1424, my dear students. So can I take this value this side? Can I take this value this side? Okay. So this will become equal to multiplied by 27 minus 97. This value will become equal to, if I will calculate 27 minus TE, that is T exit, is equal to minus of 9.969, my dear students, degrees Celsius. So T exit I will take this side and this I will take this side. So this will become T exit is equal to 27. So this will become 36.9 degree Celsius, my dear students. So the exit temperature will be 36.9 degrees Celsius. So these kind of simple questions will be asked, my dear students, and hope you have understood this concept. What I have just done, I have put all the values in formula, that is exit temperature, that is inlet temperature he has given, and all the values correctly and done the calculation accurately. So that will be the temperature, my dear students. So hope you have understood this. Thank you so much.